Now, when you think of a home-built aircraft, you probably don't imagine 350 horsepower, retractable gear, and 25,000-foot ceilings. But that's exactly what you get with this Lancair IV. Now, this aircraft undershot the runway, which leads it to the disassembly process here at BAS Part Sales. And we're gonna get lots of good things from this Lancair IV. We'll recover the Continental TSIO-550 engine with twin turbos, the G3X glass, the Garmin 530, and the G5. Custom built, record setting, and now this Lancair IV is donating its DNA to making sure that other Lancair aircraft can stay fast and sleek in the sky. Let BAS Part Sales know if we can help you stay in the air.